Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. My name's Chris. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. I really want the makeup community to be a real fun, positive, wonderful place where everybody can just talk about all things makeup. And so part of that in the planning, I plan to do a lot of giveaways. We're not quite 3 months old yet. We'll be 3 months old on, I think, the 27th. And this is my second giveaway. So if you did not win this time, or you didn't win what you really wanted, don't worry about it, because I'm going to be doing more. I'm going to be doing, like, right after the holidays in January. I'm planning on doing another one. So maybe I'll do one even before then. You know, we'll see how the numbers come out. But my guess is it's going to be January. So I have the winners. I am going to contact everybody today. So if you are one of the winners, check for your email, your Instagram, messaging, whichever you gave me to contact you. And I will be getting your address and popping these out in the mail the 1st of next week. So mascara wardrobe number 1 is the Waterproof Better Than Sex mascara, the Marc Jacobs mascara, and the Peacock Flare by CoverGirl mascara, and that goes to Abby Beers. So Abby, I will be getting a hold of you and mailing these to you. The mascara wardrobe number 2, that has the Hourglass mascara, the Better Than Sex regular, and the Waterproof Volume Express mascara, goes to Linda Tay. Linda with an H, Tay. So I'll be getting a hold of you. Now, there was so much interest in the Marc Jacobs mascaras that I actually picked up a couple little extras here. These were little kits. I just put them in the little bags here. I took them out of the packaging because the name on the packaging I was a little iffy on if somebody was under 18 who won, because I don't know everybody's ages. And so I took them out of that packaging, put them in here. You get a Marc Jacobs mascara, and you get mini lipstick in Slow Burn, which is a really pretty neutral pink. So I added 2 of these. So the first one goes to Sam S. You got that one. And the second one goes to Sincerely Brittany. So I'll be getting a hold of you guys. We'll get these out in the mail to you. So I actually picked up, a lot of people like the Sephora eye set, so I picked up a couple more of them. If it was up to me, everybody would win. Like, everybody would win everything. But like I said, hang in there. I'm going to have more. I'm going to be drawing more names. I will be having more giveaways throughout the life of the channel. So, if you didn't win this time, just hang in there, because I will have more giveaways. Like, I decided that before I even started the channel, like in my planning stage. So the first one we've got here is going to Sammy is Sassy. You're going to get an eye brush set from Sephora. The second Sephora eye brush set is going to go to Jay Navarro. Send you that one. And number 3 is going to go out to Angie Antila. So I will be sending this to you. You guys keep an eye on Instagram messages, email, whichever today, and because I'll be getting a hold of you to get your addresses. So a lot of people really like the perfume set, so I couldn't find another one of these, so I have just the perfume. I picked up a perfume. So the perfume, it's the same scent, it just doesn't have the lotion and the shower gel in it. The perfume goes to Simply Summer. I'll be mailing this out to you next week. I'll look for me to contact you today. And then the big perfume set here with the, whoop, let me get it in frame. There we go. And not reflect back on you. For the Kate Spade Live Color Fully goes to Zoe Dubois. Congratulations to everybody. Congrats, Zoe. I will be getting a hold of you. And I hope that you guys like everything, like the, giveaway gifts. I am already saving up for the next giveaway. Like I said, it'll be, in a matter of like 2 months, I'll have another giveaway. So yay, I hope everybody likes everything. I just want the makeup community to be a real community where everybody kind of celebrates together, and I get to share my favorites with you guys and actually, get it to you guys so you can try it out and see what you think. All right, well, that does it for today. That does it for this week. I will see you guys next week. I am going to be doing next week just on 2 sets. One is sold at Sephora, one is sold at Ulta. They're both Too Faced sets. So I'm going to try them both out, and then I'm going to compare and contrast and see if one's, maybe a better deal than the other, or which one you should choose to give as a gift. So I will see you guys next week in those videos. I will contact the winners today and get these out the first of next week to you. Yay! All right, guys, I'll talk to you down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.